Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make coffee sugar body scrub. And the ingredients we are going to be using some coffee, sugar, coconut oil, olive oil, and lemon juice. So we are going to start mixing our recipe. We'll add some coffee, some coconut oil, some olive oil. Guys, I lost the clip when I was adding the lemon juice, so you can add your lemon juice at this point. Then we are going to stir. Make sure to stir very well. Guys, I'm going to be telling you guys the benefit of coffee scrub. Coffee scrub is very good. At this point I added some more sugar. Coffee scrub reduces cellulite. When applied topically, coffee can improve blood circulation and break down fat. It can also reduce the appearance of stretch mark. And coffee scrub can also brighten your skin. Coffee sugar body scrub can turn dull and tired skin into a radiant and glowing skin. So guys, this is our mixture. And when you want to apply this scrub, guys, make sure to wet your skin and you start applying the coffee paste from your feet up. Apply it in a circular movement and spend more time on the areas where there is cellulite or stretch mark. Then you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Make sure you use warm water to rinse it off. Okay guys. And also guys, make sure to always exfoliate your skin at most 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay guys. If you want to have that glowy skin, you want all your stretch mark to clear out, this recipe is very good guys. It's tested and trusted. Make sure to try this recipe and make sure to always exfoliate your skin guys. It's very good. If you want to have that clear and glowy skin, make sure to always exfoliate at most 2 to 3 times in a week. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. Just click on the red sign there that says subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. Bye guys.